kindly help me drop it in the comment section. You know how I don't like to bore you or waste so much of your time. I go straight to the business of the day. Excuse me. And that is the first sentence for today is Il cherche le problème de quelqu'un. Il cherche le problème de quelqu'un. You won't imagine what this sentence means. Just. Il cherche le problème de quelqu'un. You just can't imagine. He's looking for someone's problem. Why are you a troublemaker? Don't be a troublemaker. So how do you go about just looking for who to pick on or just trying to unnerve some people or individuals? Il cherche le problème de quelqu'un. Is looking for someone's trouble or someone's problem. Ever heard of synonymous words? Ever heard of synonymous words in English language? Where one word can alternate for another word. You know, similar in meaning, but not exactly the same in meaning. Il cherche le problème de quelqu'un. That's why I said he is looking for someone's problem or trouble. Either ways, he is trying to unnerve or get on people's nerves. That's that. Second sentence, elle aime la musique aussi. Elle aime la musique aussi. Can you guess? I mean, look, what do you think all those action back then was for? I'm panting. Again, elle aime la musique aussi. She loves music also. She loves music also. How many of you watched that? I mean, if you go through my channel videos, you will see lots of videos where I was dancing and dancing and dancing. Okay, I haven't really done that a lot lately. Forgive me, but sometimes that's just a way I like to. That's just a way. I mean, I feel sometimes I need to entertain you. Okay, I know it's a classroom channel, but I mean, I'm an unconventional teacher. So what's there with a bit of entertainment amidst all the seriousness of classroom lectures? Okay, so elle aime la musique aussi. She loves music also, and honestly, I do. I don't know. Maybe the dancing part actually, well, not so much of music, but man, maybe what if I have to like dance to it? Why not? The third sentence, elle a 6 enfants. Elle a 6 enfants. She has 6 kids. Synonymous words comes into play again. 6 kids or 6 children. Okay, kids alternate to children. Elle a 6 enfants. She has 6 kids or children. The last but not the least is Saman est à l'hôpital. Saman est à l'hôpital. Saman est à l'hôpital. Saman is in the hospital. Oh, c'est dommage. What a pity. Quick recovery to all those that are sick, like sick and hospitals or clinics. We pray that they recover fully. Saman est à l'hôpital. Saman is in the hospital. C'est fini. That's all. J'ai fini avec mes phrases. I'm done with my sentences. Over to you do not forget to drop your sentence in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before exiting this platform. Like my videos, share my videos, and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you can get videos, newer videos or notifications anytime I drop videos on my channel. Thank you, and do not forget to meet the next episode of Expression Aura.